In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link HoYoverse account to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you are playing any game developed by HoYoverse, namely Genshin Impact, Honkai Star Rail, or ZZZ on a console such as PlayStation, you will be given the option to link a HoYoverse account, either a pre-existing HoYoverse account that already has progress, or if you have made progress on your PlayStation and you would like to save that progress, then you can link a HoYoverse account after the fact. So to begin, I'm going to showcase this with Genshin Impact, but the general idea is the same and it is going to work with any HoYoverse game. When you first open Genshin, you will be given the option to create a new HoYoverse account. So this is if you don't have pre-existing progress, or if you already have an account, you can transfer over the progress to your PlayStation console, and of course you can still keep it. So let's say, for example, you used to play on a PC or mobile and you have an account that has progress. This is the option that you have to select. If you have gone past this menu and you still want to link an account that has progress, I'm going to be talking about that later in the end of the video, but to keep it simple, if this is your first time opening it up, choose appropriately. If you create a new HoYoverse account, then you will be good to go. You create the account with your credentials, and this account that you create will be linked to the PlayStation Network account that you will be using to play. So every time that you want to play on console, just sign into the PlayStation Network account and you will be good to go. If you choose the option already have an account, then you sign in with your credentials and essentially the same thing happens. Now, if you already have made progress by playing on your PlayStation 4 and now you want to save that progress into a HoYoverse account, go inside of the game, access the settings through the Paimon menu, and under the account category, you will find User Center. This is where you will be able to manage all of your connections. So a web browser is going to appear and you will see the option to link the account. Like I said, this is only going to be needed if you have already played on the PlayStation 4 and you didn't link your account to HoYoverse. So this will allow you to save your progress by linking it to a HoYoverse account. So choose the option to link and follow the instructions. You have to input an email, and when you do this, choose the option to send a verification code. After you receive the verification code, input it here. Make sure that you enter a password, confirm it again, and then you agree with the terms. Once this PlayStation account is linked to HoYoverse, you are good to go. Now, whenever you want to play on other platforms like PC or mobile, just use this same HoYoverse account that you created here. So, to keep it simple, there are two main ways to do this. If you have never played before, just choose one of these two options here. But if you already have progress on your PlayStation, then link it to a HoYoverse account to keep your progress. If you saw this menu in the past and you skipped off it, then what you have to do is either uninstall Genshin Impact on your PlayStation and then reinstall it, or sign into a different PlayStation Network account so you can actually see this menu once more. I hope I was able to help you on how to link HoYoverse account to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.